who conducted the bidding of that who conducted the fourth bidding?
Mr. Sahi.
Mr. Sahe. Now, kayo po, hindi po ba kung void yung mga ginawa po ni na Mr. Sahe nung una, edi lalong-lalo po na void yung ginawa po ninyo. Kasi it came from the same poisonous tree. Di ba, Attorney?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, gusto ko lang pong tanungin si Deputy Administrator Lee. Ma'am, sino po yung nag-amyenda ng TOR? Who prepared the amended TOR?
The amended TOR was prepared by the SBAC of Samselco. And it was just...
Hindi po ba kayo ang...
No, it is not NEA. In fact...
So, sino po yung SBAC na yun?
Sino ba ang
Ng
composition
Samselco? Is it the former... under the leadership of Mr. Sahi?
Yes, it was under the presidency then of Mr. Omar Sahi. And,
so are you telling us na sila yung nagtanggal nung parang nalito na ako?
yes, in fact, sir, truthfully, it was the board of directors of Samselco which dissolved the SBAC through a board resolution.
Huh?
It were them.
Wait.
Yes.
It were them.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman.
that was part of my interpellation a while ago.
Yes.
That the board of Mr. Sahi dissolved the SBAC.
If I may
And
read. Yeah.
in its place, nag-create po ng bagong board kasi as answered by the Deputy Administrator of NEA, Attorney Lee, na galing po sa Task Force Zamboanga City Electric One. Di po ba? Yun po ang sagot nyo kanina eh. So, sila po ang gumawa na nung I presume na sila na po ang gumawa nung lapot contract. Would that be a correct assumption?
Mr. Sahi, could you please answer the question of Congressman Ako? Parang naguluhan na ako.
Paano yung sir? Kenley?
Di po ba na-dissolve kayo?
Oh, undeserved, yes.
Nag-put up ng NEA ng panibagong board of directors.
Yes.
Sabi nyo kanina, galing sa mga heads ng mga cooperatives.
Yes, so,
If I remember it right. Tama po.
tama mo.
Si Mr. Lapot po ang isa doon.
Yes.
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, yung Lapot contract nangyari nung time na wala na po kayo, dissolve na po kayo,
Oh.
at yung Lapot board ang nandyan. Tama po.
Tama mo.
At sila rin ang nagbago noong terms of reference
ng
from the
kontrata.
original term of reference na kayo po ang gumawa.
Tama ho. Kasi it's very clear, yung kontrata na signed by Laput differs from our contract that we formulated. A joint force by the NEA and Samselco.
Be that as it may, Mr. Chair, para I would earn my keep, nagkaroon po ba ng panibagong bidding?
Yung pagkatapos namin, wala na. In fact, we question yung bagong kontrata na hindi dumaan sa General Assembly. It was not presented to the member consumer ng Samselco.
Opo.
And that is, I think, a violation.
Now, NEA, yun po bang, do you agree na wala pong nangyaring bidding na nag-award po dun kay Crown Desco?
If I may respond to that.
Sagutin lang po
Please
ninyo yung tanong ko.
answer.
There was a bidding. But if I may be allowed to clarify, Mr. Chair.
Please.
On August 30, 2018, the copy of the IM contract was officially forwarded to NEA. A copy, the final draft, that was still under the presidency of Mr. Omar Sahi. And it was also on August
final
30,
draft.
2018,
Sir, ma'am,
that
ma'am,
Samselco
ma'am.
board,
The final draft, meaning
Yes.
the amended TOR.
yes, the amended TOR,
The one that was signed by Mr.
Laput.
Lapot. So it came from
because Mr. Lapot came in only after the conclusion of the bidding. They came in only after the conclusion of the bidding because it is very clear from the office memo issued by NEA that the present board will remain to just finish the IMC. And it
Congressman
is
Ako.
also them
Yes.
that forwarded
recognized.
So,
the IMC.
the special, deputy administrator admits na wala pong, lahat po ng bidding na nangyari, panahon po ni
Yes.
Mr. Sahi.
Yes.
Tama.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, you consider it as void. Would that be correct?
Yes, please answer.
Just a backgrounder to that led to the approval. Yes.
Attorney, my question is very direct and very simple. It's answerable by yes or no.
We consider that as
Void.
not void. The one that was forwarded to NEA, the final IMC. The fourth bidding, the fourth version, the version on the final bidding, not the contract that was signed by Mr. Sahi.
Okay. Who conducted the bidding of that? Who conducted the fourth bidding?
Mr. Sahi.
Mr. Sahi. Now, kayo po, hindi po ba kung void yung mga ginawa po ni na Mr. Sahi nung una, edi lalong-lalo po na void yung ginawa po ninyo. Kasi it came from the same poisonous tree. Di ba, attorney?
If you are to
Mr.
look
Chairman,
at it,
I rest my case.
Thank you.
but let me explain
Boy,
because the
Nia.
final approval.
Deputy
The final
Administrator.
approval of the contract was made by the NEA Board of Administrators. And it was them who considered that despite the illegal action of the Samselco Board who constituted themselves as SBAC, the affirmation or the approval of the AGMA was taken into greater weight as Samselco then needed the investment management contract.
Okay. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I think there's a... Anyway, if I am to conclude the statement of Chairman Ako, hindi parang, lumalabas, void ab initio. Ganun, kasimple na yun. Void ab initio. Maybe you can research later. Ganun lumabas eh. Diba? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, yung ibang panam.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you are recognized, Congressman Presley De Jesus.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. No? So, siguro, I would ask the board because, for your information, Mr. Chair, I'm the board president of one of the electric cooperatives for several years. So, I'm familiar when it comes to the board resolution na ginagawa. So, Mr. Chairman, I would like to ask Mr. Sahi, yung apat na kontrata na yun, dumaan lahat sa inyo yun, from the first, second, third, and we know the fourth contract, yun ang inuphold ng NEA. Di ba kayo rin yun? Okay. Who gave you authority, Mr. Chairman, na mag-compose kayo being part of the SBAC? Sinong nag-ano sa inyo nun? Bakit, as you know, board president, I was the board president, I never part sa BAC o Bids and Awards. Kahit lang pumunta kami doon, bawal. Bakit? Who gave you the authority to be part? Kayo pa nagpatakbo ng BAC. Mr. Chair?
Please respond.
As I've said earlier, when the schedule of August 30 for the bidding to be conducted on that date, nawala yung mga SBAC.
It doesn't matter who gave you the authority. It doesn't matter kung nawala ako, pinaalis sila. Who gave you the authority na maging Bids and Awards kayo, na maging member kayo? Sino? Who gave you the authority? NEA ba?
We made a resolution and to to NEA and it was acknowledged.
Hindi, alam nyo, bawal yun eh. Dapat from your end, Mr. Chair,
Oo.
dapat hindi nyo na ginagawa yun.
Verbal ho.
Kumbaga, ikaw na executioner, kayo pa rin yung bawal yon. So, dapat alam mo niya, kasi board president ka,
Yeah,
no?
I know
Both of us, we were board president back then, no? So, dapat hindi nyo ginawa yon. Is there any adverse finding bakit kayo tinanggal? Aside from this, bidding neto, meron ba kayong mga adverse finding from NEA kung bakit kayo natanggal, Mr. Chair? May mga kaso ba kayo dati sa NEA na pending?
Wala. Ang alam namin, yung
Yan lang yun.
violation.
I would like to ask NEA, meron ba sila mga adverse finding noon? Aside from this contract, yung mga, kasi I know, that time, Mr. Chair, I was part of electric cooperatives, kaya alam namin ni Kong Dagi. And that time, we already hearing may problemang Samselco. So I'm trying to ask NEA, siguro, Atty. Rosan, meron ba silang audit findings sila prior to this contract that you know of?
There might been, insofar as the technical,
I think Omar Mayo
there
will
was
answer that.
adverse audit findings. If I may be allowed, Mr. Chair, regarding the statement of Mr. Sahi,
Yes,
that
please
NEA
continue.
acknowledged the resolution of the Samselco board when they dissolved the SBAC and constituted themselves as the SBAC. It is clearly pointed out even in the NEA Special Administrators Meeting number 3, when Samselco board assumed full powers, functions, and responsibilities of the SBAC, no formal transmittal to NEA had been made. It was only posted on the Visita Facebook page on August 30, 2018, if only to correct that.
Mr. Chair, remember, is he under oath, si Sahi?
Yes.
Remember,
They're all under oath.
you said a while ago, in-acknowledge na NEA. You said that a while ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now according to Atty. Rosan, according to NEA, nakita lang daw sa FB nyo, walang transmittal. So I would like to ask you another question. Same question. In-acknowledge ba NEA yung ginawa nyo, giving you authority yourself to be part as the Beach and Award Committee?
The former administrator, verbally,
No, ang tanong ko, nagpadala ba kayo? Siya mo kasi in-acknowledge na NEA. Do you have any copy, receipt copy?
yes, we have this one.
Okay, can you show it to Atty. Rosan kung yan nga yun na...
This is a letter.
Was there any formal
yung acknowledgement from NEA?
acknowledgement?
And then another letter, hindi kanda ko pa, no?
And another question, Mr. Chair, if you allow me again.
Yes,
with
please
your
continue.
indulgence. Kanina,
Honorable Jesus.
sabi ni Mr. Hassan, during AGMA, na pinresent nyo yung for the approval yung contract. According to Atty. Rosan, wala daw sa minutes nyo.
If I may,
Go
Mr.
ahead.
Chair, what is been handed to me here is, in fact, the one that I have mentioned earlier, acknowledging the amended terms of reference. It was the amended term of reference that NEA had acknowledged for the final bidding. This is dated August 20, 2018.
Another,
Mr. Chair, I think si Mr. Sai, you're lying under oath. Tinanong kita kanina, yung pagiging who gave you authority as SBAC, sabi mo, kayo, gumawa kayong resolution, you submitted to NEA. And you said, in-acknowledge na NEA. Ulitin ko, yung pa rin ba sagot mo?
the board may resolution, as I've said.
Yeah, may
telling
resolution
President,
kayo, sinabi mo, in-acknowledge na NEA.
The former administrator,
Nasaan yung kopya na yun? Acknowledge sila.
verbally,
verbal.
told us.
Mr. Chair, verbally daw, Mr. Chair. So, wala kailangan, we're talking about documents, okay, Mr. Chair? So, yung mga sinasabi mo, Mr. Sahay, again, pareho tayong board president. I was board president for 7 years, no? Not even once na nakilam kami sa board, sa bids and awards. Eh kayo, ginawa niyo sarili niyo, ano talagang magkakaletse-letse tayo? No, ngayon, kanina, Mr. Chair, sinabi ni Mr. Hassan, pinasa niyo sa AGMA yung resolution na approving yung contract na yan. But according to Atty. Rosan sa NEA, na wala sa minutes yun. Tama ba ako, Atty. Rosan? Wala sa minutes. But Mr. Hassan, I'm again asking you a question. Did you pass that resolution approving that contract? Sabi mo kanina, yes. Di ba? Meron o wala?
Mr. Hassan?
So sa presentation po ng agenda, pinasa po namin.
Presentation nyo, yung approval during presentation, you just present it and one by one, lahat ng gusto nyo yung agenda na pa-approve, isa-isa nyo. You have to explain it to the member consumer owners. Remember, we do that every year AGMA. For 7 years, I'm presiding the AGMA of Iselco 1. So we know the procedures. Ngayon, tanong ko sa iyo, during the AGMA, isa-isa nyo, pinresent nyo lahat for approval. Inisa nyo ba? In-explain nyo ba sa mga consumers, sa mga member consumer owners, kung ano yung pina-approve nyo, especially that contract? Yes or no?
Mr. Hassan, please answer.
Mike,
Mike po,
Hindi.
Mike.
Ano? I didn't hear you.
Yung IMC contract po, yung ang present namin sa General Assembly during that time.
Pina-approvehan nyo?
Pinaprobahan po namin.
But
Sa-
according to the record you submitted to NEA, wala daw yon. Wala sa minutes nyo. And you were the secretary back then?
Mr. Chairman, just to connect.
Yes, Majority Floor Leader.
Just for record purposes, I was present during the annual General Membership Assembly. May motion doon sa AGMA. And the one who made the motion was the former mayor of Zamboanga City, Manuel Dalipe, with 6,000 other witnesses. Hindi ko nga alam bakit sinasabi ng NEA na walang resolution. So ano pang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon? Ano, so ibig sabihin may mga kontrata tayo na walang resolution from the AGMA. So tama na yung kay Chairman Acop. Kung walang basis ang mga kontrata, walang resolution from the AGMA, so anong kontratang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon? Kung walang, but I understand, Mr. Chairman, they passed a resolution to that effect during the AGMA. But I am just surprised, NEA is now saying that there is no resolution from the annual General Membership Assembly. Tama ba yung pagkaintindi
I think
natin?
yung sa minutes na sinadmit nila, hindi kasama yon sa minutes, right?
No.
Tama ba ako?
Excuse me, Mr. Chair, if I may. I have never mentioned that there was no resolution. There was a resolution. The contention that I guess it's being raised is that was the contents of the IMC. What I was trying to point out is that in the minutes prepared, there were only two businesses. Presentation of the result of the bidding conducted and the confirmation by the General Assembly.
Okay. Before I recognize Congressman Bagook, tapos na po kayo?
Meron, pero hindi kasama yung
Okay.
approval na.
Before I recognize,
Yung kanilang contract, wala. Wala, hindi kasama sa
Wait,
minutes.
just to clarify on that issue, there was no approval of the resolution. The NEA, simple lang yung question. Was there a resolution approving the contract during the annual General Membership Assembly of Zamboanga City Electric Cooperative?
There was, Mr. Chair. If I may, what I'm trying to point out to address the concern of Congressman De Jesus is in the business, walang presentation. What was looking at the minutes prepared by the secretary, dalawa lang po, result of the IMC and then confirmation. In other words, there was no presentation, the contents, the details on what the IMC contained. Pero there was approval po. There was approval.
So ano dapat i-present?
That was the concern of
No. In the position of NEA, what do you think? It should have been presented or copies should have been furnished? Anong dapat?
it should have been. We just we relied on the
Okay.
resolution that the IMC was approved.
Mr. Chairman, a member of the National Electrification Administration, an official was present. If there was any irregularity, that NEA representative would have called the attention of the presiding officer, would have called the attention of the board secretary at that time before passing on the motion. I believe there was regularity in the procedure. Otherwise, the NEA representative, who is very knowledgeable of the process, would have called the attention of the board and informed them that before we pass such resolution, we should furnish copies to the member consumers and inform of the resolution we're passing. But other than that, I believe there was that sense of regularity because the NEA representative, the official at that time, who is supposed to supervise, tasked to oversee the affairs of the annual General Membership Assembly, did not make any comment which is not in line with what the National Electrification Administration would require on the conduct of such annual General Membership Assembly. So in short, Mr. Chairman, regular lahat. Kasi may NEA representative, walang sinabi yung NEA representative or NEA official na, oy, mali yung ginagawa natin dito. Diba? Hindi natin pwede i-pass yung resolution basta ganyan-ganyan. So I think, I am into a conclusion without the negative observation of the NEA representative, everything was in order.